I have some breaking news. If you hold cryptocurrencies, it doesn't even matter what cryptocurrency you have. This video is for you, so make sure you stick around until the very end. You cannot miss this episode. So getting straight into the video, we are seeing inflation at record numbers, but how does this affect crypto? That's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video. We're going to be diving into the charts because there's something also very bullish that has happened yesterday that could affect cryptocurrencies forever. So guys, make sure you watch this video until the end. If you love cryptocurrency content, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss the time-sensitive videos, and blow up the comment section, guys. Share this video. I love to check out my comments and to get to my comments. So getting straight into the video, it's going to be short, sweet, and simple, just how you like it. Now, cryptocurrencies, they've been acting crazy, right? We're going to be getting into that. But what we can see is inflation is at record numbers. We haven't seen this high inflation for over 40 years. So 40-year highs in inflation, just absolutely ridiculous. Now here it is. President Biden says that inflation is only this high because of gas prices. So not to worry. So guys, don't worry. President Biden says we're going to be okay. No, but he kind of said that, but that's beyond the point. So what we can see is inflation is going up, and you guys have been hearing the theory that cryptos are the hedge against inflation. Well, the reason why cryptocurrencies aren't going up and skyrocketing because inflation is going high is because the US dollar is going up at a ridiculous pace. Whenever something goes up, as you have seen in the past, when it goes up crazy and just pumps and goes straight up, there's going to be a massive crash, and we have seen that with many things before, like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and many things before. But the US dollar is going up at a crazy record pace, and guess what? This thing has to come back down. And eventually, when they combat inflation to a degree, this thing is going to come back down really hard and really fast. And when that happens, when the US dollar is going down and inflation around the world is going higher, people need a safe haven to put their money, because guess what? Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are holding up better than a lot of currencies around the world. They're holding up better than a lot of currencies around the world, which are collapsing at a record pace. So people need a safe haven. And I do believe the answer is going to be crypto. And that could happen sooner than later. A massive exodus because of inflation, not only in the US, but because of around the world, inflation. People need a safe haven to put their money. So the high inflation report is actually probably a good and bullish thing. But let's get into the chart. Let's actually talk about what's happening with cryptocurrencies. Now, what we can see is there's something very important that I have to share with you, an indicator that has come up that calls 100% of the time the crypto bottom. But besides that, right now, what we are seeing, this is honestly crazy volatility. As I have been pointing out, if you look at my video titles for the past week, I've been warning you all that a crash is potentially coming today, the previous days, because of what had happened today with the CPI reading this Wednesday. And I said there's going to be a lot of volatility, and it happened. Now, what we can see is that this morning, cryptocurrencies pumped. They were up 5, 6, 7%. And immediately when CPI came out, there was a massive crash. And guess what? They came back up. They came back up. Cryptos are pushing back up. It's very interesting. And I do believe that cryptocurrencies might actually continue going up potentially for the next couple of days. We might have a red day mixed in there. But towards this weekend, I think we're going to have a green weekend. And I do believe the reason for that is because this crash, what we have been experiencing the past week, this major drop in the crypto market, has been priced in because people were anticipating a bad event to happen today. People were anticipating something really bad to happen. And guess what? All those people sold that were anticipating something bad had happened. And those are the only people that have sold. So all of those people had to buy back in today. And the market is bouncing up a little bit right now. So we're going to continue to monitor the market. And is this bullish? Is this bearish? We're honestly really not definitively bearish. We're not definitively bullish. We're kind of just sideways right now, but we are holding up higher highs and higher lows, which is a good sign. It is a bullish sign. But something very important that I need to share with you is that the Pi cycle bottom indicator has finally hit for Bitcoin. And if we take a look previously in Bitcoin's past, we can see that the past two bull runs since 2018, 2019, and 2015, the exact day this indicator, which is a composite of two moving averages, whenever these lines cross on this on this indicator, on this moving average, it calls out the exact bottom to the exact day, and cryptocurrencies took off from that day. So that has happened twice. It's actually the third time that it has happened. It happened yesterday, and we may actually be at a bottom. It's been 100% accurate so far. It doesn't mean we are at the bottom. It doesn't mean it's going to be accurate this time around, but there is a possibility. So there is a strong possibility based on how accurate this indicator has been, calling out the exact bottoms of the bear markets. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. Cryptos still need to continue to move up. Bitcoin needs to break 20K, which is very likely over the next few hours and the next couple of days. And if we can continue to go back up again, we will have a clear indication and direction of where cryptos are headed. So as of right now, we're kind of like in a neutral zone, kind of just sideways. And it is good to see that despite all the volatility and the bearishness of news today, that we are actually seeing a bullish push to the upside in cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu, Ethereum. And if you were in the Patreon today, you have made profits with the buy alerts that we did today. So congratulations if you are a Patreon member. We're making profitable trades every single week. If you want to get access to that, join tier 3 in the Patreon, where you can copy and follow all of my exact trades. And you get access to the whale group, where there's a whole bunch of traders, including myself, where you can ask your questions, when to buy, when to sell, all of that. I highly recommend to join the Patreon in tier 3. Now, also, I'm going to be having an exclusive video, a crypto predictions video over on my Rockfin channel tonight. If you are a Patreon member, your Rockfin membership is free. All you have to do is email and tell them that you are a Patreon member, and they will give you the first month free. It is a streaming platform for a bunch of creators, $10 a month, and you get access to the whole platform. I do stream on there, and I do have exclusive content on there. I'm going to be releasing a video tonight and tomorrow night. If you guys want to check out those exclusive videos, you will be able to do so on Rockfin. But now make sure you guys claim your $4,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It is a cryptocurrency trading platform, the best platform out there when it comes to trading in cryptocurrency. Especially, you guys can claim up to over $4,000 for free, but just using my link down in my video description below. That's going to be it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend or family member. I will see you all later.